Today I'll show y'all how to clean the inside of your engine with STP Super Concentrated Engine Flush. Check out these results. But one of the number one concerns when flushing your engine oil, the way it affects your engine. So we check the compression, the temperature, and so much more. So you guys need to check this one out. We'll start off by removing the valve cover so you guys can see how bad this really is. And we're going to use our torch to make sure this buildup is on here very badly. I'm definitely making sure this engine flush is safe. Really, whose engine is that bad? Not anyone's I've ever seen. So I can't wait to see how these results turn out. I've heard a lot of bad things about engine flushes and how unsafe they really are. Let's take this compression test. That way we'll know what it is before performing the test. And as you guys can see, 90 psi. Let's start this mower so we can check our operating temperature as well. Maximum temperature 183.6. Now let's take a look at the STP instructions for using this product. STP states to add the entire contents of the bottle to your old engine oil and run your engine for 5 to 15 minutes at idle. Do not drive vehicle. So we'll be applying this mower to a load. This way we can really see if this is going to damage an engine. So we're going to go an extra step to try to make sure this is really safe. Now, this mower uses half a quart of oil. So if we're comparing this to a vehicle which uses approximately 5 quarts at 15 ounces of the STP product, that breaks down to 3 ounces per quart of oil used. So we're going to use 1.5 ounces of this STP product. This way it's similar to your car. If you would like to see us test a product, well, just subscribe to the channel and comment below letting us know what you want to see in the upcoming video. Do you have experience with engine oil flushes? Hey, if so, please share with the NA community. It can go a long way to help others. Please make sure you don't try this with your car. Just allow it to idle. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. The temperature before using the product, 183.6, now 175.9. To start the test, the compression was at 90. Now after completing the test, it's just over 90, so about 1 to 2 psi gain. Finally, time to see if STP Engine Flush actually works. Well, you make the decision on your own. Does it work? If you would like to know more information about STP or where you can find it, just check the link in the description below. Thanks for watching Nate's Interactive Auto.